Hi guys, welcome to the fresh episode of everything you need to know, and today we are back with another latest news about Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, Samsung has launched its another flagship device of the year, Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So today we are going to talk about the main highlights and the features of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's begin guys. So now if we start from the screen, it has on the front 6.2 inches Super AMOLED 18:5:9 ratio display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has an aluminum frame, and on the right we get power lock unlock button. On the left side we get volume rocker, and there is another button in next to it that is for Bixby. On the bottom side we have 3.5mm audio jack, USB 3.1 type C port, primary microphone, and one of the dual speaker, because another speaker we have in the earpiece, so we can enjoy dual speaker with the Dolby Atmos support in this phone. On the top of the phone we get secondary microphone and a hybrid SIM slot, where either you can have dual SIM at the same time or one SIM and one memory card up to 400 GB. So now if we talk about the back side of the phone, it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the back as well, and a dual camera support with 12 megapixel of camera, where you can enjoy a variable aperture. Yes, you can change it between f1.5 to 2.4, and this is the first time where you can do something like this. And not only this is also the first time where you can have f1.5 aperture in any phone, so the low light images will be very good in this phone, as Samsung claims. Apart from this, the positioning of the fingerprint scanner has been improved in this phone, and it is placed below the camera, not beside as in S8 Plus. Also we get a heart rate monitor on the back, which is yet another a good add-on in the phone. So that's all with the back side of the phone. Now if we talk about the front camera of the phone, it is as same as S8 Plus, that is 8 megapixel of camera with f1.7 aperture. So coming to the processor of the phone, which is one of the main highlights of the phone, we get a Snapdragon 845 processor in this phone, along with Adreno 630 GPU, and in some of the regions we may get Mali G72 GPU. It has 6 GB of RAM, and if we talk about the internal storage, it is available in 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB. Apart from this, it has 3500 mAh of battery, and with the quick charge and wireless quick charge support. So that's all with the overlook and specifications of this phone. Guys, if you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I'll be telling you about the Samsung Galaxy S9 mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.